Klaytn, the metaverse blockchain for all. Klaytn is an open source blockchain that combines the best features of public and private blockchains to deliver scale and speed for all those who wish to build, work, or play in the metaverse. It is currently trading at $1.21, market cap of 3.19 billion. It is ranked number 46 on the list, and its ticker is KLAY. Let's see what exchanges you guys can get part of. BitThumb, Coin1, Binance, Gate.io, Bybit, KuCoin, Bittrex, Liquid, MEXC, and Crypto.com. Pretty much on all the big ones, guys. It is in the top 50 now, which I will be going over their top 50 in the news. Let's check their ratings. They got they got a double B by Stable Outlook, so that's really, really good. It's in the top 88% of all cryptocurrencies out there. That is amazing. So I tell you, like, people, I love cryptocurrencies that have ratings. That shows there's something real. There's not just a meme coin. It's been reviewed. So there's something more than just myself at looking at cryptocurrencies, guys. Now, here's some of the news, which I will go over when we get to the Twitter page, guys. So here's their CoinMarketCap news. So it's not too much. It's basically the Twitter page, okay? Now, when it comes to their website, guys, the whole metaverse thing is getting really, really big. Many cryptocurrencies, they're building whole networks about this whole metaverse. So if you guys like this metaverse stuff, check it out, guys. I've made a bunch of cryptocurrency videos about the metaverse, but ones like this to be in the top 50 has been doing really, really good. But this is going through their website, so please check it out. They can see about their games, what's available. So if you're looking at different type of games, check out the website, guys. But let's head to their Twitter page. They have currently 93,900 followers on Twitter. Here's that article, Forbes Blockchain 50. So talking about when cryptocurrencies break into the top 50, since Klaytn now is ranked number 46. So that's huge news on cryptos. Huge news across the board for this one right here. And just read the article if you guys want to read more. I will have it linked below. But let's get to that price prediction, guys. All right, so price prediction. This one, we're on the weekly. Now, the chart is not too the chart's not too big with this, so my analysis is going to have to be, very short term. So here's our weekly information. Now let's go to our daily, and that's where I'm going to get a lot of my prediction I'm going to get from this. All right, make it a little bit bigger. Now, if you look at this right here, since it's inception, now if you were buying this cryptocurrency when it first came out, the first following months, you'd still be in profit. You'd be up about, what, 20, 30 cents. And it rallied up all the way here. This high was taken out. It repeated itself. Tried again, but failed. Did a pullback, back up, failed. Did it reattempted that pullback, failed. And now it's reattempting the same zone again. And we'll see if it bounces. Now let me break down this zone what I'm talking about. This one right here. Now you can tell there's significance at the $1.09 to $1.14 zone. It's been respected quite often. So through here, bounced, shot through a little bit, almost reattempted, attempted again, and is bouncing up from it. All right. Now let's get our tops right here. You can see that this downtrend happening here. But with this right here, we're really close to this diagonal. And, you don't have to make your trend lines exactly perfect. You guys can modify it. There. So it might be building up right here, a bunch of orders off of here to break through here. So that's where I'm going to be placing my first price prediction. I'm sorry, my first price alert. It's going to be about 130. So do a price. I'm going to be doing a price alert at $1.30. And if it breaks that level, then I'm going to watch it again, because I don't want to get into the trade and I'll buy, and this goes up from here to go through and head down lower. Now, I think that if it does this option here, if let's say I buy right now, it goes up, hits this trend line, and goes through, and I think it's most likely going to break through and then head down lower. That's like the worst case scenario for me. If I got in right now, goes up and then heads down lower, I don't want to take an easy loss, okay? Let's move this up right here. I don't want to take an easy loss. So once again, I put it on my patience card, waiting this out, hits my price alert, and if it breaks through and closes above it, actually has a closed candle, closes the price above it, then yeah, then I can look at, okay, then it seems like it's going to go higher. But if it doesn't and respects this trend line, makes a little wick and just heads down lower, then my price prediction, which I'm going for now, is $1.10. So $1.10. If I'm wrong, it's fine, guys. But I'd rather be catching it down here so it can get down for a bigger pool to go higher to break the trend line, especially down here. And that's my first zone. I think is going to be hitting the $1.10 zone. $1.10, possibly bouncing or breaking through, bouncing off possibly this support zone right here. This not support zone. Yeah, support zone. And then busting through, because I think it might most likely fail here. Reattempt it, possibly fail or break through, but down here possibly break through to hitting to higher prices like $1.40, stuff like that. But ultimately I think it's going to hit 110. Price prediction, guys, 110. If any questions or comments about how I came down to this and how I'm planning out my trades, let me know. Any questions about the metaverse, this cryptocurrency, guys, just let me know. This is pretty interesting. I do like cryptocurrencies, about the metaverse. Very interesting. If you guys want me to see do a gameplay or a walkthrough, or just going through their cryptocurrency in their games, just let me know. I don't mind doing it. Help you guys out so you guys get a better view. But let's head to my website, guys. So here's my website, Andre Jimmy Clinton. If you want free stocks, cryptocurrency account, or Forex account, just click the link right here, guys, or subscribe to the channel. If you guys want more about economic stuff, things about, I'm building this out. I'm doing the United States currently, then I'll do all the other countries. When it comes to indicators, you want some free indicators, guys, just try this out. I have them all right here. And also, if you guys are looking for a custom trading rate robot and EA, I do create them. I can make them with you based on your trading strategy. Or you can look for my trading course. Just let me know. Fill it out. Hit sign in, join. But that's the video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.